For number 42 of section 9.3, it says write an expression for the area of each shaded region, and then you have to write your answer in simplest form. So if we look at 42, the shaded region is going to be kind of like this yellow region that's underneath the triangle but outside of this rectangle here. So to find that shaded region, you're essentially going to have to subtract the two areas. So in order to do this, we need to find two different areas. We need to find the area of our triangle, and remember, area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So in this case, I have 1/2 times my base, which is 2x plus 5, times my height, which is x plus 6. And when I simplify this, I have 1/2 times 2x squared. Here I'm going to have 12x plus 5x will give me plus 17x, and then I'm going to have plus 30. So when I simplify this, I'm going to have to take half of each term. So I really end up with x squared plus 17 halves x plus 15. So again, this is the area of my triangle. Now I have to do the same thing for my rectangle. So I have area of the rectangle. Remember, area of rectangle is just length times width. So this is going to be x times x plus 1, or x squared plus x. And then to find the area of the shaded region, so I'll do that right down here. I have area of the shaded region is going to be x squared plus 17 halves x plus 15, and I'm going to subtract x squared plus x. So when I subtract these, if you remember, we have to distribute our negative. So I'm going to make this a positive, this becomes a negative, this becomes a negative. So I have no x squared terms. 17 halves minus 1 is really 17 halves minus 2 over 2, or 15 halves. So we have 15 halves x, and then I just bring down that 15, and this is what I'm left with for that shaded region. Now number 43 is going to be similar, but if you remember, the area of a trapezoid is equal to 1/2 height times base 1 plus base 2. If you still have questions, please let me know.